Have you ever wondered why some businesses succeed while others fail? The answer often lies in how well they understand their customers. Every successful business you see today has a deep understanding of their customers' needs and preferences. And this isn't by chance, it's a result of a strategic approach called the customer development process. This process is a systematic way of understanding and addressing the needs of the customer, which is crucial for any business. It's like a compass guiding a ship, helping businesses navigate the vast ocean of the market. Without it, businesses may lose direction and ultimately fail. But with it, businesses can identify what their customers truly want, create products that meet these needs, and build a loyal customer base. This process is a cornerstone for thriving businesses. It's a bridge between the business and its customers, fostering understanding and creating value. So, the customer development process is vital for any business to thrive, but what exactly is it? The customer development process is a four-step model developed by Steve Blank. This model allows businesses to identify and understand their customers, validate their assumptions, create a customer base, and build an organization around their needs. The first step is customer discovery. This is where businesses seek to understand who their customers are and what problems they are facing. It's about getting out of the office and interacting with potential customers, gathering data and testing hypotheses. It's an explorative phase where businesses aim to answer the question, who are our customers and what problems do they need solving? The second step is customer validation. This involves validating the assumptions made during the discovery phase. Here, businesses test their solution in the market with a subset of potential customers. The objective is to ensure that the solution resonates with the customers and solves the problem it was designed to address. This step answers the question, does our solution meet our customers' needs? Moving on, the third step is customer creation. This is where businesses build and scale their customer base. It involves marketing strategies and sales efforts to attract and retain customers. The goal is to create demand and drive customer adoption. At this stage, businesses are asking, how can we create and grow our customer base? Finally, the fourth step is company building. This step involves transitioning from a startup to an established company. It's about building organizational structures, developing a company culture, and scaling operations to support growth. This step responds to the question, how do we build a company around our customers' needs? Each step of the customer development process serves a unique purpose in understanding and serving the customer better. It's a comprehensive approach to business development, ensuring that customer needs are at the heart of every decision. And remember, these steps are not linear, they are iterative, and may need to be revisited as businesses learn more about their customers and the market. Now that we understand the steps of the customer development process, what are the key takeaways? First and foremost, understanding customer needs is paramount. It's not just about knowing what your customers want here and now, but digging deeper into the why. Why do they prefer your product over others? Why do they use it in a particular way? This level of understanding allows businesses to create products that not only meet current needs, but also anticipate and address future ones. Next, we have the iterative nature of the process. It's not a one-and-done deal. It's a cycle that demands continuous learning and improvement. You build a product or service, measure its performance, learn from the outcomes, and then make necessary adjustments. This cycle repeats, ensuring your offerings stay relevant and competitive. Then there's the role of feedback. Feedback is a golden nugget in the customer development process. It's a direct line to your customers' thoughts and feelings about your product or service. It tells you what's working, what's not, and where improvements are needed. And it's not only about negative feedback. Positive feedback can also shed light on what you're doing right and where you can double down. Finally, the need for adaptability cannot be overstated. In the ever-changing business landscape, adaptability is key. Customer preferences shift, markets evolve, and technology advances. Your ability to adapt to these changes and pivot when necessary can be the difference between success and failure. So, there you have it. The key points of the customer development process. It's not a rigid, static method, it's dynamic, constantly evolving with the customer at its core. It's about understanding the customer, iterating based on feedback, and adapting to changes. So, the customer development process is not just about meeting the customer's needs, but also about evolving with them. Remember, a business that understands and adapts to its customers is a business that succeeds.